Alright guys, we got another windy day. Just parked my car so we can launch a little kayak here at the boat ramp. I think we're gonna hit the far corner and let this wind push us down to start out with. Alright everybody, we're gonna head for these reeds that are just straight ahead. I've been paddling for a little bit. This is definitely a lot bigger of a lake than we were fishing the past couple days. So we'll get there pretty soon. I'm probably gonna start off throwing 5-inch Senko. All right, we're kind of coasting into this area now. I'm gonna start getting rigged up. I'm gonna be using, we got 2 more. I have another pack though. These orange Yamamoto Senkos, 5-inch. Throwing that weightless on the old 7'1" Bass X and the Shimano Curado DC that we've been throwing the past couple days. We gotta watch out. We have the local biker gang rolling up on us right now. This is a public lake, so there's a lot of people around. Yeah, they're pointing out an alligator that's over there behind me. That's something I'm gonna have to watch out for if I catch a fish. I gotta get it in quick. That one actually looks like it's decent size. Most of the time the alligators stay away because I mean I'm fishing in like a 12-foot kayak basically. They'll stay away for the most part. And I also try to keep my distance. I'm not just rolling up on them. If I do get a fish, I will have to get it in quick because this lake is known for alligators. I've always done pretty well with these orange Senkos. This is really, really stained water. It's not dirty. It's just really black. It's like tea, basically. This area, I'm not really planning on getting bit real much because it's more pressured, but I'm just kind of hoping I might get something because a lot of people have been inside. Yeah, that alligator's leaving now too, by the way. He didn't want to mess with us. He chose right. Alright, we're gonna move spots. And just kind of keep moving down the bank. The wind isn't really that bad right here, but I think it's because we're right up on this tree line. And you guys at home that are watching this, you'll see me do 2 different things with the worm. You'll either see me just reeling my slack. Well, that's what I do every time, no matter what. Reeling your slack and just kind of pull up like this. And that's just kind of dragging it on the bottom. The other thing that you'll see me do is reeling my slack. Give it a pop like that. Pop, pop. And normally I just go 1 to 2. Sometimes if I'm feeling crazy, I'll go 3 times, but not really much more than that. But that's just how different ways to work it. The worm, just depending on where you're at. I'm trying to do both right now just to make a trend. I think there's also gar, like alligator gar, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know what the difference is between all of them. And bowfin that we could potentially catch today. So I hope we don't. I don't really want to deal with any toothy critters, especially not alligator. Kind of felt like a small bite, but I think if it is a bite, it's probably just like a little bluegill, something that shouldn't be eating this lure, and that I really don't think that I'd be able to catch. Is that? I think that my line is running. What is it doing? Oh yeah, I got one. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, look at that bend. This is a good little fighter right here. Woo! He threw my Senko off. Let's see, gotta get some slack. I think he's hooked pretty good. Get a little bit of slack. My goodness, dude. Yeah, buddy. It's a good little fish. I just set my hook here. See if I can't get this thing out. There we go. That was easy. Oh yeah, we got a guy out there on a boat. There's a nice little bass for you. That's actually a good size. Probably a little male. All right, dude. Let's see. Get this. I try not to stick my hands in here a lot because the alligators. Just set this paddle down. Angle this GoPro so you guys can see him and take off. Ready? I don't know if you guys can still see him. Cool. Nice little fight. I didn't even feel a tug. He was just swimming with it. So if you guys notice that, make sure you just set the hook every time, because I really almost didn't set the hook. And if I wouldn't have caught that fish, because I didn't feel thuds at all. I do kind of want to fish. I think this is called hydrilla. I don't know, hydra. I don't know what it is. To the right too, because that's somewhere it's kind of harder to get to. Something just hit straight up there. You see that? Oh, something has, I think. Oh, I think I have something. Yep, I have something. Oh yeah, little guy, he just threw my Senko. Come to the side. Oh crap, he's a little fighter. Tell you what. There we go. You want to fight anymore? I don't want you to fight. I'm trying to get that hook out of you. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. Catching these little guys on this medium is fun. Let's get this down here. There we go. My goodness, dude, he is pinned. There we go. He threw my last worm. Just a little guy, I mean, maybe a pound. Not really anything huge. But it was a fun little fight. Thanks, buddy. Let's get that release on him. He's gone. Anyways, I think I'm up to 3 subscribers now. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate that. If you would have asked me like a year ago if I would have been in this place in my life and you know, have that many subscribers, I probably would have, you know, said you're crazy. There's no way I'd have that many subscribers. Oh, you got a bite, get a bite. All right, ready? Okay, got him. Okay, there we go. He's pulling hard. Oh, buddy, that's a good one. Oh, just let him fight. Oh yeah, that's a good sized one. Whoa. Oh no, he's going back behind. Get out from under there. Get out. Oh, that's a good bass. Oh, he's getting over there. Get out. Oh. Gotta get this dude in. Oh, get this paddle locked up. You guys hear my freaking pole. Alright, dude. Oh yeah, that's a good sized bass right there. Alright guys, that's a good sized bass right there. Oh man, that's heavy. Alright, let's get that release. you go, dude. Yeah. That's what we're talking about. Alright guys, I think this is about where we caught that other one. I'll have to go back and look in the video. But man, that thing, I tossed it in there and it just destroyed it. These guys over here just started playing music, which I don't really care. I'm sitting here talking and GoPro's beeping. I don't really think that it matters that much. At least they're playing Leonard Skinner, not some crap. Fishing right where that bird is. That's another thing to watch. If you see a bird or lots of birds kind of like converging, like this one that eats fish. Oh, I got one. I got one. That's number 4 today. Oh yeah, a little guy. Oh crap, get out from under there. And he took off with that one. Number 4 on that orange Senko. Alright guys, good little fish we got here. Bleeding a little bit, so let me get him back. There he goes. Alright guys, walking back to my car right now. I'm at the boat ramp. Did pretty well today. I got 4 fish, which is the best I've ever done on this. I think actually the best I've ever done on a full day. I didn't catch a PB, but that's definitely, catching 4 bass is really good for me. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And thanks for all the support. See you guys.